Hello, Maria.
Hello, Hubert, how are you?
I'm great, and you? How are you today?
All good. Shall we grab a coffee?
Yes, always a good idea.
Okay, so can you tell me a little bit about you?
Sure. So I'll start by saying I'm a software engineer. That part is really clear. I started when I was 10 years old. Then I'm a manager as well, but that part is still a process that's unfolding itself. And then the last thing I'd say is I'm a friend. Friendship is a very important part of my life, and that's something that I just want to keep doing better.
Okay, so for today we'll have an interesting game where we are going to be answering questions out of some cards. Once your coffee is ready, we'll meet you in the table. Welcome back. Now we are playing out the card games. So you need to pick the card and we will go over that question. So pick a one.
Okay.
Cool.
Why did you decide to join the team? Well, so that's not too difficult to explain. When I look for a job, actually I look for two things, like what will I be building or contributing to, and with whom. And at Veriff, what we're building is very important technology, I would say, to fix the internet. And then the team and whom I'm working with, I do think that we have not only a very strong team already, but the potential is huge, and I'm delighted to be part of that.
That's so cool. And now we're going to the next question.
Next question, okay.
There you go.
How do you plan to support the development of the team this year? We want to work on our autonomy across different parts of the engineering organization, product and engineering organization, because they are working in alignment. Now, what's really beautiful with this mission of improving autonomy is autonomy is actually the best predictor for the happiness of an engineer at work. So not only here we are actually thriving for supporting our business better, but we're doing it by also supporting the engineers at Veriff better, which is completely aligned with what I love doing, really.
Nice. And something that you might get a lot when you talk about this is how you ensure that you're not generating silos and boost collaboration while working on autonomy.
Yeah, no, that's a very good concern to have. So, of course, the more you invest in autonomy, the more you need to also make sure you have the right alignment mechanism. So that's fair. And, you can have your goal setting mechanism, and that brings you a bit of confidence that you're not building silos. But a lot of what we have on, build, support, operate is actually not documented anywhere, and we don't have this as a big picture. And I do believe that the ability to make this landscape transparent and tangible is a huge game changer in terms of breaking silos and making sure we still look at the picture the same way together.
That's such a cool answer, honestly. Thank you for that one. And last question, because we're running out of time.
Yes.
Do your pick.
What makes Veriff engineering team different from others you've worked with? So it's a very highly disciplined, highly skilled team. And maybe it's surprising because I worked through for great companies like Amazon, etc. But I do believe that there is a very high bar here. I'm really keen to kind of build a team where we allow ourselves to be creative, to be maybe a bit off track at times, etc. And so I'll be working hard as well to make sure that we kind of create space where we can say what we have to say, and we can also just give a lot of feedback to each other and allow ourselves to think out of the box.